How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best HyperX Cloud 3 settings for your Counter-Strike 2. So the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the sound setting of our Windows, and here click on more sound setting, and then you just want to look for your headphones. So in my case, I'm going to use this one. Click properties, advanced, and just make sure that you're using the 24-bit 48000 Hz studio quality. Click on the enable audio enhancement, and for spatial sound you could try turning it on or off. So the first thing that I recommend is to try turning it off first, and if you're done, you could try turning on the spatial sound. And if you're done, you could then try turning on spatial sound and see which one works best. So in most cases, this specific option is going to be available on your audio enhancement. So just make sure to turn on the loudness equalization only if it's applicable on your Windows. And for the bass management, you could also turn it on. Click apply, click on OK. And the last thing that we are going to add it is inside the Ingenuity application. This is the official application for our headphones. So turn on the volume sliders all the way up. Same thing with the DTSX. Turn it on. And once again, this is going to be for surround sound. I suggest turning it off first. And for the equalizer, you could use something like treble boost, or if you want to, there's a lot of presets out there that you can go ahead and download. Simply search for the best FPS equalizer for the Cloud 3 and you should be good to go. But if we're referring to the base presets that we have, then I suggest using the treble boost. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.